Hello and welcome you all again in this lecture of business environment and entrepreneurship. In the last lecture we have completed first unit, that is entrepreneurial behavior, and today we are going to start second unit of this subject, that is entrepreneurship. In this lecture we will understand the concept, meaning and definition of entrepreneurship. After that we will study characteristics of entrepreneurship. Then we will study social and economic development. Next, we will understand need and importance of entrepreneurship. After that, we will study factors affecting entrepreneurship. So, let us understand the concept of entrepreneurship. Friends, entrepreneurship is the practice of forming a new business or commercial enterprise, usually in an industry or sector of the economy with a large capacity of growth. Entrepreneurship is generally synonymous with resourcefulness, ingenuity, and the ability to take calculated risk in order to introduce a new untested product or services into the marketplace. These traits are often referred to collectively as the entrepreneurial spirit. Entrepreneurship is driven by the entrepreneur, a person who launches and oversees the operations of a new business venture. The entrepreneur is generally self employed, self motivated, ambitious, and is willing to take chances to meet his or her goals. Unlike the capitalist business persons who generally limits his or her role to financing commercial ventures, the entrepreneur is the driving force behind the formation of a new business and asserts a great deal of control over the key management decisions. Many entrepreneurs also assume responsibilities for hiring and managing employees. Successful entrepreneurs tend to be highly skilled at organizing and motivating their employees. Now, let us understand the meaning of entrepreneurship. Friends, the word entrepreneur is derived from the French word entrepreneur, which means to undertake. This refers to those who undertake the risk of new enterprises. An enterprise is created by an entrepreneur. The process of creation is called entrepreneurship. So, entrepreneurship is a process of actions of an entrepreneur who is a person always in search of something new and exploits such ideas into gainful opportunities by accepting the risk and uncertainty with the enterprise. Now, let us see the definitions of entrepreneurship. So, the first definition, according to Peter Drucker, entrepreneurship is defined as a systematic innovation which consists in the purposeful and organized search for change, and it is the systematic analysis of the opportunities such changes might offer for economic and social innovations. Next definition by A.H. Cole: entrepreneurship is a purposeful activity of an individual or a group of associated individuals undertaken to initiate, maintain, or aggrandize profit by production and distribution of economic goods and services. Now, let us understand the characteristics of entrepreneurs entrepreneurship. So the first is economic activity. Friends, entrepreneurship is an economic activity as it involves designing, launching, and running new business enterprises in order to earn the profit by ensuring best possible use of resources. Second characteristic of entrepreneurship is creativity and innovation. It involves discovering new ideas and implementing it in business. The entrepreneur continuously evaluates current modes of running a business and identifies new methods of and techniques for operating the business more efficiently and effectively. Next characteristic of entrepreneurship is profit motive. The activity of entrepreneurship is undertaken with the sole objective of making the profit. It is also the reward of the efforts made and risk taken by an entrepreneur. Next is risk bearing. Friends, willingness to assume the risk is the essence of entrepreneurship, without which he or she cannot succeed. It occurs due to the creation and implementation of new ideas. Such ideas are often uncertain, and so the result may or may not be positive and instant. Next is purposeful activity. So, entrepreneurship is a purposeful activity. Emphasis is placed on results rather than mere activities. The results may be in the form of reduction in wastage, optimum use of resources, motivated and dedicated workforce, increasing efficiency, etc. The main purpose of entrepreneurship activity is to create profit. Now, let us understand the social and economic development. Friends, entrepreneurship activity facilitates social and economic development. Due to entrepreneurship, the production of better quality goods and services take place, which in turn facilitates economic growth of a nation. Also, entrepreneurs play an important role in social development by supporting social development activities like health, education, community development, etc. So the first point is lifeline of a nation. No one country can progress without the development of entrepreneurship. Every country is trying to promote its trade so that it is able to share the benefits of development. Therefore, entrepreneurship is the yardstick to measure the level of development of a country. Second point is provides innovation. Entrepreneurship provides new ideas, imaginations, and vision to an enterprise. An entrepreneur is an innovator as he tries to find new technology, products, and markets. He increases the productivity of various resources. The entrepreneurs stand at the center of the whole process of economic development. Next is change of growth or inclusive growth. Friends, an enterprise operates in a changing environment. The entrepreneur molds the enterprise in a changing environment. The latter molds not only the enterprise but also alters the environment itself to ensure the success of the enterprise. Next is increased profit. Profits can be increased in any enterprise either by increasing the sales revenue or reducing cost. To increase the sales revenue is beyond the control of an enterprise. Entrepreneurship, by reducing cost, increases its profits and provides opportunities for future growth and development. Last point, next point is employment opportunities. Entrepreneurship and its activities provide the maximum employment potential. Large numbers of persons are employed in entrepreneurial activities in a country. The growth in these activities bring more and more employment opportunities. And last point is social benefit. Friends, it is not only beneficial to the business enterprise but to the society at large. It raises the standard of living by providing good quality of products and services at the lowest possible cost. It also makes the optimum use of scarce resources and promotes peace and prosperity in the society. Now, let us understand the importance of entrepreneurship to an organization. So the first point is development of managerial capabilities. The biggest significance of entrepreneurship lies in the fact that it helps in identifying and developing managerial capabilities of entrepreneurs. An entrepreneur studies a problem, identifies its alternatives, compares the alternatives in terms of cost and benefits, implications, and finally chooses the best alternatives. Next is creation of organizations. Entrepreneurship results into creation of organizations when entrepreneurs assemble and coordinate physical, human and financial resources and direct them towards achievement of objectives through managerial skills. Next is improving standards of living. By creating productive organizations, entrepreneurship helps in making a wide variety of goods and services available to the society, which results into higher standards of living for the people. Next point is means of economic development. Entrepreneurship involves creation and use of innovative ideas, maximization of output from given resources, development of managerial skills, etc. All these factors are so essential for the economic development of a country. Now, let us understand the factors affecting entrepreneurship. There are two types of factors. First is personality factor, second is environmental factor. So the personality factors are initiative, that means does things before being asked for. Second is proactive, it means identification and utilization of opportunities. Next is problem solver. It means conceives new ideas and achieves innovative solutions. Next is persuasion, to customer and financiers for patronization of his business and develops and maintains relationships. Next factor is self-confidence. It means takes and sticks to his decisions. Next is self-critical, learning from his mistakes and experiences of others. Next is a planner, collects information, prepares a plan and monitors performance. And last is risk taker. It means the basic quality of risk taking. Next factor is environmental factors. These factors relate to the condition in which an entrepreneur has to work. Environmental factors such as political climate, legal system, economic and social conditions, market situations, etc. contribute significantly towards the growth of entrepreneurship. For example, political stability in a country is absolutely essential for smooth economic activity. Here we are going to stop this lecture. Thank you.